Contractors, are you tired of the entrepreneurial roller coaster ride that comes with contracting? Inconsistent income, sometimes inconsistent cash flow, too much overhead, not having systems in place, hiring and managing, the guilt and shame for not providing enough for your team or family, wondering where the leads and sales are going to come from, trying to balance family and work, wearing far too many hats, not feeling safe or good enough about what you're providing. Listen, we've all been there. When it comes to contractors, we understand what you need. We understand the systems that are needed to be put into place. We understand how to bring lead flow. We understand how to bring balance and normality into your life. If you want to learn a little bit more, hit the link below. Let's have a conversation and let's see if we're a good fit. Okay, thank you.